Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm the Fire TV displays safe mode and remove any attached USB drives or HDMI adapters. Make sure you have the original remote and power cable in hand, because you'll need them for on-screen navigation and reboots. Once done, try a soft reboot by using settings right arrow My Fire TV right arrow restart, or unplug the power for 10 seconds then plug back in. This simple restart often clears accidental boot flags and returns you to normal mode. If a restart didn't help, dig into the middle steps. Go to Settings right arrow Applications, right arrow Manage Installed Applications, and remove any app you recently installed or updated. Then clear cache and data for suspect apps. Also check Developer Options and turn off ADB debugging or unknown sources, because a persistent debugging session can hold the device in a restricted state. Finally, examine the remote and TV buttons. Stuck select or play /pause during boot can trigger safe mode, so make sure nothing is pressed. Finish by rebooting cleanly. Use settings right arrow My Fire TV right arrow restart and watch for a normal boot sequence. If safe mode persists, disconnect all external devices, USB drives, HDMI extenders, and keyboards, and boot again, because peripherals can hold the system in safe state. As a last resort, perform a factory reset from settings after you back up or note account details. This removes persistent software issues. Troubleshooting tip: if safe mode keeps returning, swap the power adapter or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.